Could you please introduce yourself and the company that you represent?
Hi, my name is Nagaraj. I work for Fluke Technologies and I take care of Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka region and automotive service segment. And Fluke is a 1948 company, started in 1948, and almost 76 years we are serving in the market of electronics, electrical, temperature and pressure. So what are the applications we can able to support on that? So we are the world premium brand in kind of a testing. Especially testing, we are the masters. So we have calibration, field service, and then process, and then networking. So this is our complete profile we can able to.
What kind of product categories do you have?
So if I want to say for especially for this EFY, we have a product for a electrical electronics market that we have a multimeter, high precision multimeters, which start from 6.5, 5.5, 900 multimeter for high precision applications. And then for production lines, wherever you make PCBs and then semicon testings and all, wherever we have the power quality tools for a process application. And to monitor the temperature profiling, so we have process instruments also, process calibration kind of things over there. To verify all these measurements, whether it is working fine or whether you are making a precision accurate. So we have a Fluke calibration tools. So that you can able to calibrate also.
Which industry segments do you serve?
So we serve electronics, electrical, automotive segments, semicon, oil and gas, utility, and then automotive OEMs, and then automotive service, EV, solar.
You name it and you have it.
Yeah. So wherever you have voltage, current, frequency, temperature, pressure, so we can able to give a complete testing solution, because with this parameter only all the industry will run. Major market is automotive, defense, utility, and renewable.
Who's your target customer? What part of the electronics value chain they are? Is it a PCB manufacturer? Is it the designer, developer?
Yeah, it will be starts from maintenance, plant maintenance, and then it will go to the quality department, production.
Okay.
It will be process and safety.
Okay. So that is your target customer persona.
Yeah. So it is like, that's why I'm saying, wherever you have the voltage, current, frequency, they will be there. Without that, nothing will run in the plant. So either you want to test at low voltage, high voltage, and you want to have a production lines up, and you want to increase your production. So we can able to give a complete solution starting from maintenance to quality side.
How do you reach out to your target customers?
We reach out to cold calling to the customers and identifying the product, new product introduction to customers, digital marketing, or participating in the expos.
Okay.
These are the ways we use it to customers.
Okay. What kind of business do you have in India? Like, where are your main focus markets located, region-wise?
Region-wise, if I want to say, in Tamil Nadu, we have automotive is the biggest market in Tamil Nadu, and next is utility, and then we have oil and gas is very less, and chemical is not there, and mainly on process industry is also there. Major customers in Chennai, where they based out in Oragadam, Sriperumbudur areas, wherever you have this Qualcomm, Sormina. These are the customers we can able to survey them.
Do you have any plans to expand from Chennai to other parts of the country where electronics, like Pune, for example,
we have a very big team.
Noida?
We have a very big team in India. So each region we have a separate dedicated team. So we have offices also across India. We have offices in Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, and Kolkata. So we have a special sales team also, application team also to support the customers. So wherever you name, that's what I'm saying, wherever you have all the industries, we are there.
Elmac Engineering Services is an authorized distributor of Fluke. So what is the role of Elmac in all of this?
So Fluke normally reach the customers. To keep the customers satisfied, we have a local channel partners. After that, so in India, we are almost having 38 channel partners. They are our premium channel partners with us for almost 2 decades. And they know what are the product ranges and how to engage the customer. And we have a team in Elmac. Elmac is the authorized partner in Chennai for Tamil Nadu. And they have offices across India also. Now they have become a pan-India company. And they can able to give a support on back-end, like training from Fluke side also. And they will also be able to give a support to customers. After sales support, post sales support, service. These are all they'll be doing as a local channel partner.
how does Fluke's testing and measurement equipment, how is the company keeping up with these advancing trends? We've got artificial intelligence, which is now also expanding into automotive, ADAS and everything we have. Then we have ChatGPT, generative AI also as a part of it. Now, and we have IoT is booming up in India in electronics. So, how do your products keep up with these trends? Because IoT requires very specific sensors and very accurate measurement, precision. So,
So we are into, as you rightly said, AI sensors are all coming up in recent technology. So wherever you buy this sensors, you want to do the measurement. So we are without measurement, you cannot able to verify whether it is working fine or not. If you are measuring, you need to see whether it is you are meeting that accuracy. So there are a lot of things in the measurement is there. So now, if I want to say before semicon issue has happened in the market, and after the semicon issue, now because of the Russian-Ukraine war, total the market is getting changed on the measurements. So especially when you talk about electronics and EV, measurement is very, very critical. Without measurement, you cannot able to find what is the problem in your system. Because only you can able to analyze with the data. You can able to do the prototype and anything. Backing process will be done with the system.
how do you compete with the other players in the market? What sets you apart? What sets Fluke apart?
So Fluke is always mean for innovation. So we innovate a lot of new things, how to engage with the customers, and moreover, our product innovation is based on the customer feedback. So we always with customers understand their pain areas. We will take their feedback, and globally we will develop the product based on the customer feedback.
So that means there are products which are being designed specifically for the Indian market.
Right now, what we are doing is we are making a Fluke integrated solutions where we can able to integrate. We have different divisions, like as I said, maintenance, calibration, process, and networking. These divisions can be integrated as a one solution, and we can able to give us a one-stop solution for customers. So customers don't want to go for multiple systems or multiple things, where we can able, especially on this voltage, current, frequency, electrical, temperature, pressure. These solutions we can able to give a field solution as well as a lab solution.
Testing and measurement equipment is usually very expensive, and India is a very price sensitive market. So how is Fluke adapting to that? Have you made any changes in your strategy, business strategy or technology strategy
Not technology.
to adapt to Indian customer sensitivities?
So sensitivity, what we have is like right now we are also coming up with some low range of products where we have like depends on the application only, not on the pricing part. So where we are like we have come out with a pocket multimeter, so which can costing around 5,000 rupees. Like where our intention is we need to change that testing with bulb. We need to change with the multimeter. So we have multimeter itself starting from 5,000 rupees to 40 lakhs, wide range. Depends on your measurement. If you want to do single phase measurement, you want to have a safety, because we always talk about safety. Our prime motto is safety. So whatever product we design, we want to ensure that customer should or any vendor should be in the safety side. So our priority is safety. So our customer pricing sensitivity, it is there in the market, but still we are selling the product in a better way to the customer. So we do value sell with the customers. It will give you better response to our.
How do you make sure that these products that low range, are you also selling them to startups? Because startups, they don't have that much funds.
Yeah.
How are you catering to that market?
Startup-
Or do you just cater to big OEMs?
No. We are into all. Like if I want to say, OEMs also buying with us. Startup is also buying with us. So only thing is we will tell the value, and we need to support them as a startup company. We will make a packages, how to support them in a pricing front or value add on the product side. Also, we will support them in a training side.
You offer some after sales support as well.
Yeah.
So what kind, could you elaborate on that?
So after sales support is we are doing a product training. We do the product training and understand their application and the pain areas, and we used to understand what are the other features they want to interrupt in the future. This training is okay. And right now we are also started from last year we started a new training also, paid training and certification training, especially for power quality and then thermal images, calibrations. So these are the areas we are giving specialized training also.
Do you have any experiential centers in India Or is that the reason you partner with these local chain distributors?
No, not centers. We also make, we are trying to make some training centers also.
Okay.
So in future it will be in India and Bangalore. We are going to set up the training center, and we have training managers also. And we go across to customers. After selling the product, we'll make sure that they use the right product for right application.
Are you also collaborating with any universities or academia?
So universities also our customers, IITs, NITs, and engineering colleges also. We are supplying them, and we are also supplying. We have a lot of center of excellence. We are also signing up a lot of center of excellence with them for especially for calibration.
Mm-hmm.
So and we are also supplying energy audit kit. So they can go and talk to the industries and they can do energy audit also.
All of these collaborations and partnerships happen with your Indian partners?
Yes, all the
or directly Fluke?
It is between Fluke and local partner and customer.
Okay.
So end of the day, our partner is the main prime focus to customer, the first point contact for local support, and they will take care of everything.
So that means partnership is a very important part of Fluke's expansion in India.
Yeah, last 76 years, we are only doing business with only channel partners. So our partners are our prime strength, and they know different segments, different market, so they can able to make a different segment also for us.
Are there any other channel partners in India that you are engaged with?
Yeah, we have almost 38 partners.
38 partners across
India, across different zone. Like if you name, we are defining the territories also for them. Especially in Tamil Nadu, we have 3 partners for segment and for industries also. And for Kerala, we have separate partners. So different regions, we have different partners. So they are also strengthened with their back-end team, application team, sales team, and training team for the customers. So they will also can give much better support to the customers.
So that's an interesting localization strategy. That means that your products are penetrating the deeper markets of India, where all these small startups, MSMEs, which we've not even heard of, are booming. They know of Fluke. Yeah, is that the idea behind it?
Startups, MSMEs, even small scale industries also. So right now we have a retail division where the shop sellers are selling the product to the market. If you go to any electronics market or electrical market in any city, so we have retailers. So retailers are spread across India. So there we have more than 100 plus retailers. And we have almost 25 stockists across India. So they stock and sell to these retailers. So they are also can able to, it's a big market for retail. So our intention is we need to make the measurements in a safe and better manner. So in Fluke, why Fluke is much better to customers, we call as RRR. It is like ruggedness, reliable and repeatability.
Okay.
So this is our prime strength.
Do you have any design and development team in India?
So we have our software team. Right now we are with the cloud-based Connect. So we have a software called Fluke Connect.
Fluke?
Fluke Connect.
Fluke Connect.
It's a mobile app which can able to talk to the instruments. Normally we used to measure the data. So now we can transfer the data to the cloud.
Interesting.
So we have a team based out in Bangalore, only team. So they are doing all the software development and design. They are doing it in India. And it has been taken care by globally also.
That means that this part, Fluke Connect, is only for India or for all across? And when was this introduced in India?
All across the globe. We experimented in 2012.
2012.
All itself we started. Before, when the cloud started, we started with one of the few products. Now, whatever products comes with, it comes with the Fluke Connect only.
What do you do with this data?
Data is for customer, no?
Customer,
they want to have a documentation. If you want to say any ISO company, they want to document their data.
Okay.
So earlier what they will do, whenever they are doing a calibration or any specific measurements, they will do document. Now, even from multimeter, whatever measurement you do, you can document.
Do you plan to utilize this data to develop products which are, further for AI models and everything? Why I ask this is because data is currency as of now. What you are collecting is very important when we want to automate.
It is no. We are also tying up with AI team, AI solutions also, and we are making some new innovations are going to come up in 2025 also. No, it is like it is only a measurement data, no, for customers.
Yes,
measurement data for customers. So they want to, because for example, if I want to say in industry, normally what they will do is they will measure the data and they will go off because there will be a question will be changing, people will be changing. They don't know what is the problem in the system. But once they do a documenting, they can able to refer that. So that is important. That's why we bring this Fluke Connect. So where they have a documentation and it will be in the cloud. So it will secure things. They can able to take the data and they can able to analyze for each interface.
So it's on subscription basis?
Yeah, license basis we are going.
Have you also partnered with any government of India initiatives to, expand your product lines and
We are
get listed on the GEM portal?
Yeah, we already registered in GEM. Defense is our major customer. So if any military, navy, for them also we have a lot of solutions, and we are also expanding that to make in India concept right now. So we are in the plan. So upcoming years we have a lot of plans to serve customers in a different manner.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank
It
you,
was
thank
lovely
you.
speaking to you. Anything else you'd like to add?
Yeah, we are coming up with a lot of new solutions, especially this integrated solutions we are developing as per the customer need. Right now, selling the product is not going to help anyone. So right now we are also penetrating more on the pain points of the customer, understanding their needs, and we are providing maximum solution-based systems we are going to plan up. So that's why Fluke has now come up with a concept called One Fluke.
One Fluke.
So if I want to say in any industry, electrical maintenance, instrumentation, design, quality, and then all this has been automated with the networking system now. So we can able to give right from electrical, temperature, pressure, and networking, quality and process.
Interesting.
So we can able to cover up from even from your security camera, whether it is working fine or not,
Okay.
to the incomer line of the utility.
Okay.
So we have complete solution, especially on the testing solutions first.